Hey, hey, hi, hello there. I'm back. What's up, you guys? It's Miss Black, and I am so excited to be making this video on camera for you guys because it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube, and it feels good to be doing this again. So you know, the last time you guys saw me on here, I was a new natural. I remember I just did my big chop, you know, getting used to my texture, a part of this, you know, natural hair community. Everything was gravy, right? But a lot has happened between then and now, so I'm just gonna fill you guys in on what happened in between. Let me give you guys a recap if you're new to my channel. My first big chop was in 2014. It was cute, you know. When I tell you I started from the bottom, I started from the bottom, okay? I had no hair, as you can see. I really had like no hair. A lot of the styles that I felt comfortable doing were finger coils. You know, I was just trying to grow my hair out and get used to, you know, having a texture that was natural and not permed because I've been relaxed my entire life. So, you know, I was a little bit obsessed with my hair. I'm pretty much still very much obsessed with my hair. I really tried to love my hair throughout the stages. And speaking of stages, let's talk about the awkward stage, because they don't call it awkward for no reason. This shit was awkward. I felt very awkward. To be honest, I felt kind of stuck. You know, like my hair wasn't growing past its length. At least it didn't look like it, because you know, shrinkage is a liar, right? I couldn't really tell, and the only style that I was able to do was a puff. So I was just really frustrated during my awkward stage. My hair didn't really look defined all the time like how it did when it was wet or full of product. It was just a frizzy, fuzzy mess a lot of the time. And to be honest, it was summer too, so the heat on top of all of that, man, I was stuck in the bathroom for a majority of the day. Like, people would see me with muscles and they'd be like, girl, you working out? My hair made it look like I had a whole gym membership, girl. Sorry, I'm so annoying. Okay, but I was just over it at one point, and I remember my mom made an appointment for me, and all I had to do was walk in there and sit down, and that's exactly what I did. I walked in there with a whole head of natural hair that I worked so hard to grow out, and I permed my hair. I fell for the creamy crack. How could I be so weak? I don't understand it till this day. I don't know. And you know what? To make it worse, the lady who put the relaxer on my head, tell me why I sat down, right? Just like this. I sat down just like this. And the first thing she did was slap the relaxer right on my edges, right on my hairline. That was the first place she put the relaxer. She put the relaxer on my head, and I was like, I really wish that I could go back to that moment and do something differently, but in all reality, I am at where I'm at now because of that moment. So you really can't live with regrets, because it all makes a difference at the end of the day, you know? And if anything, my willpower now is even stronger than what it was before when I first big chopped, to grow my hair out even more, to grow my hair out even better, to grow my hair out to be even healthier, honey. Do you hear me? I am so determined. I will never go back there. Never putting a perm in my hair again. I've learned my lesson. So after I got my relaxer, I'm sure to everybody else my hair looked wonderful. It looked beautiful and great. But for me, I wasn't happy. That's not what I wanted. I was really pissed at myself for being so, you know, quick to make a decision, you know? So yeah, I was a little bit upset. If I'm being honest with myself, I really wasn't motivated to make videos anymore because of that. I felt like a traitor to the community. I felt like, I don't know, I just felt like I would have let a whole bunch of people down who I guess looked up to me in a sense, and I completely just ruined it. So I just wasn't feeling the camera for YouTube. I wasn't ready, I'll say that. But that is in the past. Okay, so let's leave it all the way back there. The good news is that I am back on YouTube making videos, and it makes me so happy. And even better news, I am natural again. Yes, I did another big chop. I'm natural again. You can't really tell because your girl got some braids right now, you know, on the Janet Jackson type wave. But I'm just really excited to be, you know, here with you. Okay, so let me know down in the comments what kind of content you guys want from me. I'm so excited, like I've been saying like probably 20 times already, to be making videos. So let me know. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do that. Like this video, let me know that you are watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.